Video number 70, inverse functions. The definition of an inverse is G is an inverse of F, and the other way around, if both these things are true. We would need G compose F of X to equal X, and F compose G of X to equal X. So, determine if the following are inverses. So here's F of X, here's G of X. We have something to the third power plus 8, and then we have a third root of X minus 8. So we're going to find F compose G. So F of G of X. So F of G of X. So we're going to put this inside of the F function, which means we're going to take this, raise it to the third power, then add 8 to it. So we're going to raise to the third power, then add 8. Well, when you raise a third power of a cubic or third root function, cubics and third powers are, cubics and cube roots are inverses of each other, so therefore you get just simply x minus 8. So then we bring the plus 8 over. So this all becomes x minus 8. Okay, then you add 8 to the x minus 8, you get x. Alright, now we're going to do G of compose F. So we're going to take the F of X equation and plug it into that X for G of X. So we're going to have G compose G of X cubed plus 8. So now we're going to do the cube root function. We're going to plug the X cubed plus 8 in for this X right here. And then we're going to subtract 8 from that. Well, if you just subtract 8 here, because you're allowed to add those like terms, you just get X cubed. Then we're going to take the cube root of X cubed, which is X. Therefore, F and G are inverse functions of each other. Alright. So let's move on to another example. Determine if the following are inverses. Let's find out if H and K are inverses. Well, we're going to do H compose K of X. So we have 3x minus 4 and then 1/3 x plus 4. So it looks like it could be inverses. Well, H compose K of X, we're going to take 1/3 x plus 4, plug it into H. We just distribute the 3. We get x plus 12. Then we're going to subtract the 4, because remember, we're plugging this in to here. Okay? So you're going to distribute the 3, then subtract the 4. We end up getting a 12 here, gives us x plus 8. So therefore, we can say that H and K are not inverses. Alright, any questions? Send an email, and of course, good times.